Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to teach you how to do this effect. Super easy, 30 seconds. Let's go. Alright, hey guys, so you're going to want to come in here, bring your media in, make sure to click on this, come down to Fusion. Now don't be afraid, it's going to be easy. Click on this, hit Shift Spacebar, add a Planar tracker, come over right here to whenever you want to start tracking. So right here, hit set around whatever you want to track. Track that, and then what you want to do is come and hit hybrid point and then hit translation. Alright, you're good to go. What you want to do is track forward, and it's going to track your face. Come back to where you were and then hit stabilize, and you're all good to go. All you have to do is come over here, zoom in just a little bit, because you'll see where it kind of moves it. So what you want to do is zoom in to where you can't do that. So come in here, and there you go. You have easy way to do the Planar tracker. I will see you in the next one.